that you never quite learn. It's a dull orange glow in a dark cold room. She's beautiful, she's your due. The drums are lo-fi and my heart is offbeat. The pavement is freezing beneath my feet. So cold, so heavy, so heavy. She's a crimson glitch in a grayscale world, the prettiest flag that was ever unfurled. But the voices are tearing the vision apart, a rhythmic decay in a hollowed out heart. Red hair, sharp blade, nobody's there. Stop. I can't stop. Voice 3 is a whisper like tape hissing rain, telling me beauty is just a new flavor of pain. She tied back her hair with a string and a smile, and I've been staring at the static for a while. The colors have saturated, the mix is too loud. Hide away, lost in the crowd. It's her, it's not. She forgot. Look at the red, look at the gray. Please just make them go away. Make them go away. Make them go away. The red fades to the background noise, just another one of gravity's broken toys. Static, static, gone. Look at the gray.